Most people know the Velux name for the production of roof windows. In addition to this, we also produce a lot of accessories needed to install these roof windows. Here in Kolding, we have a distribution centre. From here, we distribute products from our own factories to all the warehouses in Europe and also directly to end users. We receive products, we store products and we ship products in various stages of the supply chain. We receive the products from our manufacturing sites, both locally and from abroad. We have some separate distribution channels, but from here in Kolding, we distribute to virtually the entire world. The product range and its complexity determine how we organise distribution. Velux Group's Windows division has 2 European central warehouses, this one in Kolding and another in Hungary. Both are unusual in that we have a large volume and a high extent of complexity due to the fact that we handle custom-made as well as standard products. Here we have about 50 trucks in daily operation. In addition to this, we rent trucks at peak times. We handle many different types of load, from single windows to pallets and boxes. We try as much as possible to minimise strain for our employees, especially in regard to heavy lifting. That's why we make the best possible use of our trucks. We still have a little manual handling, but we are constantly looking for new technical solutions. We comply, of course, with applicable legal requirements regarding heavy lifting, but are trying to go further, recognising that we should be ahead of the legislation. This also means that the solutions we're developing here will typically be implemented at our other European sites once established. The dimensions of some of our products mean that we cannot handle them in a conventional way. Some long and some heavy products require special equipment. For this, we use various types of crane with vacuum clamps, which are mounted on our forklifts. Toyota Material Handling is a big player in the market, so it was a natural choice. It's important for us that one partner can meet all of our needs. It's also important for us to have a supplier who has values and performance that match ours. This is the primary reason for working with Toyota. Of course, there was also an economic perspective. This has also been met. We have a Europe-wide agreement covering our factories and warehouses. When we entered into it, we had high expectations of the levels of innovation and maintenance we would enjoy. We tried to optimise our operations not only in human terms but also with our trucks. Being able to operate with fewer trucks is good, but also makes demands on their reliability. We place great importance on maintenance and, therefore, to the service package provided. We have a full-time Toyota technician at this site for routine and emergency maintenance. This means we always enjoy a good dialogue with Toyota. Our users talk directly to the technician. Talking about Toyota eyesight arose from our daily cooperation with Toyota. We see Toyota as a strategic partner. So when they presented us with this product, which they believed could create value for us, we investigated it with great seriousness. We looked into the benefits and, based on our values and principle of being a model company, we agreed to a pilot project. This has now been running long enough for us to see a pattern. Our primary motivations have not been financial, but the issues of safety and quality. However, we also see economic benefits as well as others, for example, battery optimization. But these issues have not been the main criteria for success. What we have chosen to do from the beginning is to involve our employees in the process and thereby demystify the element of surveillance, as you might call it. Our truck drivers are represented in a working group and are part of the process. In this way, they became familiar with the system's possibilities, all in accordance with the Velux values.
Jeg synes, det her skulle bringe os, og det er som nævnt primært sikkerhed og kvalitet.